Are you tired of being bombarded with game invites and chat notifications while playing Roblox? In this video, I'll show you how to appear offline and enjoy your gaming sessions without any interruptions. Whether you're looking to avoid unwanted messages or simply want some privacy, I've got you covered. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up Roblox and then tap on these three little dots at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Settings. And then tap Privacy. So now you want to scroll down a bit and disable these settings. Tap Who can message me. Set this to No one. And then tap Who can chat with me in app. And also set this to No one. Then tap Who can chat with me. And also set this to No one as well. After that, scroll down to the bottom, and under Other Settings, you'll see these three different options. So you want to tap on each one of them and change them to No one. Once you've done that, you'll appear offline on Roblox. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.